In a world that often feels fully explored, the allure of discovering hidden gems remains irresistible. For the budget traveler, these lesser known destinations offer not only affordability, but also an authentic slice of culture and adventure. Today, we embark on a journey to unlock some of these secret destinations, perfect for those eager to explore the world without breaking the bank. First, let us wander to the enchanting town of Luang Prabang in Laos. Often overshadowed by Southeast Asia's bustling tourist hotspots, Luang Prabang is a serene haven where history and nature converge. Here, you can explore the enchanting blend of French colonial architecture and traditional Lao wooden houses, the early morning alms ceremony, where saffron-robed monks walk the streets collecting alms, offers a profound glimpse into the local culture. With budget-friendly guest houses and street food stalls offering savory delicacies like khao soi, travelers are sure to find both comfort and authenticity. Next, we traverse eastward to Eastern Europe's lesser-known jewel, Lviv in Ukraine. Dubbed the Little Paris of Ukraine, Lviv charms with its cobblestone streets and quaint, old-world cafes. Despite its historical grandeur, Lviv remains kind to the wallet. Visitors can indulge in a rich tapestry of cultural experiences, from opera at the Grand Lviv Theater of Opera and Ballet to sampling artisanal coffee at one of its many cafes. A trip through Lviv allows you to enjoy the vibrancy of Europe without the hefty price tag. Shifting our gaze to South America, we discover the vibrant streets of Valparaiso in Chile. Nestled between the mountains and the Pacific Ocean, this bohemian port city is a colorful maze of graffiti-clad streets and rolling hills. Its unique funicular elevators provide breathtaking views of the ocean while being an affordable way to navigate its steep terrain. Valparaiso's laid-back ambiance is complemented by its vibrant art scene, with galleries and impromptu street performances adding to the city's eclectic spirit. A visit to Valparaiso is both an artistic and economic delight for any traveler. Venturing down under, New Zealand offers a surprising contender with its magical Catlins Coast. This rugged, remote region at the southeastern tip of the South Island is often skipped by tourists. It promises raw, untouched scenery, from cascading waterfalls to windswept beaches, all accessible through cost-effective eco-trails. The Catlins is a haven for wildlife enthusiasts, where you may encounter rare species such as the yellow-eyed penguin in their natural habitat, providing an enriching experience that's light on the pocket yet heavy on natural wonders. Finally, we journey to the exotic landscapes of Sri Lanka, particularly the lesser-known Kalpitiya Peninsula. This coastal paradise offers pristine beaches and thrilling aquatic adventures at a fraction of the cost of more famous beach destinations. Known for its dolphin and whale watching tours, budget travelers can experience marine life up close without extravagant prices. In Kalpitiya, one can also delve into local culture by exploring traditional fishing villages, offering an authentic glimpse into the Sri Lankan way of life. In our quest to unlock these hidden gems, we uncover the world's secret treasures that promise not just savings, but memories etched in authenticity and wonder. These destinations offer more than just a respite from the beaten path. They invite you to immerse yourself in the stories, cultures, and landscapes that make them unique. Remember, the essence of travel lies not in lavishness, but in the richness of experience, and these budget-friendly gems are waiting for you to discover them. Safe travels.